Hey, what's up guys? I'm Guy and I'm back here on YouTube with a new concept, with a new name. If you look at the name, before it was Bisuku, which is my name, but now it's Do It with Guy, which is a very different concept. I took it from do it yourself. I do a lot of projects here. I'm a DIYer. I just decided to do all those projects with you behind the camera so I can show you exactly what I do and I can bring you in my world to share most of my projects. But with Do It with Guy, I want to create a new community, a community of people that are doers, the people that like to do things, people that like to figure out things, really motivated, people that want to create, eager to learn and move forward in their lives. So I'm going to call us the doers. We are in the best era ever because right now we have access to a lot of information. We have access to a lot of knowledge. If you know how to leverage that information, you can do a lot of things. You can create a lot of things, and that's what I do here. That's what I'm sharing with you. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are right now, but we are connecting. Like, you watch me on the internet. This is actually very cool. Lately, I had to fix my car. I had something that would have cost me $1,500. But just through some research on YouTube, I was able to fix it. And that's something that was very exciting. I'm like, these kind of things need to be shared here on YouTube with you. So that's why I created Do It With Guy. And if you like the mindset, just subscribe, because I have a lot to share when it comes to science, technology, motivation, and personal development. But in general, a lot of free projects, a lot of things that I do for fun. I even have some automation project around the house that I haven't been able to do because I wanted my YouTube to be ready. Put my camera up there, sit here and start recording. That's what I'm going to do. And I think with this, I'm going to create a lot of more content, and I'm going to try to publish at least twice a month. But the goal is to keep this community growing and to evolve together with you. So you're going to find a lot of videos coming in the next few weeks, and most of those are projects that I do and things that I think. So I hope you're ready to receive me and be ready to hang out with me here in my studio. And right now I was actually opening my mails. I don't really like to open mails very much, but I need to have my shredder with me so that everything that is sensitive, I can destroy it. And anything that's not sensitive, I can just put it in a trash. I have a trash here, by the way, so I can put it in a trash, and that's it for it. So I was opening my mails and I found this letter coming from the HOA. For those of you that don't know, HOA means Homeowners Association. And if you follow me on KB Trainings, you sure know that I bought a new house in 2019 and I moved in 2020. Actually, it was a new construction. So the construction started in September 2019 and I moved in June 2020. And this is the letter from the HOA. They're asking me to finish or to do the landscaping in my backyard. Because since I moved in, I did a little bit of work, but I didn't really focus on it very much. I don't spend a lot of time outside in the backyard. I'm usually here in the basement in my studio, and I completely forgot about the backyard. But apparently there's a lot of bush growing out there. I can do some good landscaping, which is fine. I understand what the HOA is doing. They do something that's very noble. They're trying to keep the neighborhood clean and cool and keep the values of the houses, which is great. So I benefit from this. So this is my next project. I'm going to bring you with me, and you are now a doer because you've been watching. So now I'm going to go sit at the desk and I'm going to show you exactly the plan that I have. And then that's for this video here, which is like the introduction. And in my next video, we'll go together, buy all the tools and all the material that we need to get that done. And then I think in one more video, I can show you exactly what I did and the final product and so on. So let's do it. All right, so as promised, here I am showing you the backyard. This is me here taking the pictures with my drone. And this is actually the backyard, and you can see that I have already some concrete here. This one, I was actually planning to do it myself, but I realized that it's not complicated, but it's a lot of work in terms of intensity of the work itself. So I had to pay someone $6,000 to get this one installed. So I have the concrete already done. What I have to do is this section here. This is what the HOA is asking me to finish up. And this photo shows you just the view of it without any planning. And the next photo here shows you what I'm thinking of doing. So I want to have some stones here on the side. It's going to be about 3 feet from the fence. I'm going to have some stones here, and it's going to go all around the fence. And then right here in the middle, I'm going to put the stones as well. This one will be gray, just like the ones that I have in the front yard. So they'll occupy this space right here. So this is going to be artificial grass or synthetic
turf that I'm going to put here, and I will have 3 trees in the middle, and on the side I'm going to have the same stones, the gray ones that I have in the front yard, and here I'm going to have 3 bushes as well. I don't know how to call them. This is the picture of it. So I'm going to have 3 of them here, and with mulch in this area. And this is the first picture. So let me go on the side. Here is the side of the house. As you can see, I have these gray stones in the front. By the way, this is not a door here. I'm going to make it a small door or big door, so I can go from the front yard to the backyard on this side as well. I have a small door on the other side. As you can see, my neighbor already finished everything, so it's really sad and a shame that I haven't done anything. It's not a shame, I didn't have time. So yeah, I'm going to finish this area here. So this is what it's gonna look like. This is the same stones that I have here. I'll have it all the way here, and then I'll have the Indian sunset with 3 feet of it coming all the way around the fence. And we'll have the mulch on this side and the trees and everything. So this is the right side of the house, and if we go to the left side, this is between me and my neighbor. You can see all of this is still empty. So I already have stones put up here. This is the picture of it. It's already there, so I just have to finish. So I'll have Indian sunset along the fence here, and then right here in the middle I'm going to have artificial grass as well, with some squares, some concrete squares in the middle. So that's what I'm thinking of doing. And yeah, if you think you're going to like the project, and if you think we're the same kind, we like to do things, if you want to become a doer, don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm not very active on Twitter, but follow me on there anyway. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.